purpose of education imparted at Educon International School is to enable each student to be a successful learner, a confident individual, a responsible citizen, and an effective contributor. All our teaching learning pedagogies revolve around a very simple and an effective educational philosophy. And that is, if the child is not learning the way you teach, teach the way the child learns. Education at EIS will always strive to make all our students good human beings first, which will be the foundation of their success and glory. Thank you.
Educon International School strives to prepare their students for life and active participation in the global multicultural society by developing in them knowledge and understanding of the world while retaining the traditional Indian values. EDUCON. EDUCON stands for E. Excellence in all aspects of school. D. Dedication in providing quality education. U. Unique concepts of teaching and learning pedagogies. C. Commitment towards building a nation. O. Optimistic approach towards the learners. And N. Nurturing young minds with love and affection.
Greetings from Educon International School. EIS is a leading school and has two principles. Number 1, holistic well-being of the students. Number 2, education for global citizenship. In holistic well-being of the students, we have 4 areas: intellectual dimension, emotional dimension, creative dimension, and physical dimension. In intellectual dimension, we have all academic related subjects. In emotional dimension, we have life skill education included in the curriculum. In creative dimension, we have art and craft, music, dance in the curriculum. In physical dimension, we have sports, yoga, and self-defense in the regular timetable. Education for global citizenship. We are Microsoft School. We have international dimension in our curriculum for excellence. We have international day celebrations. We conduct virtual field trips all over the world. We have global collaboration and we organize various international events to make our students truly global citizens.
At Educon International School, we believe in the professional development of each and every teacher of the school. These programs include webinars, seminars, workshops, and activity-based programs. So, to make the complex subjects like math a fun subject, we do teach them using Lego blocks. We have conducted workshops for the teacher to use Lego blocks in education. We conduct these webinars, online webinars, which have certificates, which is a value addition in the professional life of the teacher. These webinars and seminars helps them to improvise their daily lesson plans. We have conducted a workshop related to WAC theory, which includes different learning styles like visual learning style, kinesthetic learning style, auditory learning style. After attending the workshop, the teacher knows the children of her class and can plan the activities accordingly. We have webinars related to child development, related to play, how play is important in early childhood education, related to classroom management, related to how to improvise STEM activities. These webinars help the teachers to deliver the lesson effectively and efficiently in her class. We do believe that apart from academic, the teacher is responsible for the safety and the security of each and every child of her class. We do train them with first aid training. Teachers are the backbone of our school. We provide them with a lot of webinars and certification courses which help them or which motivate them.
Play is a serious work of a child. This is rightly said by Maria Montessori. The Playway method is one of the best adapted method of education used in Educon International School. Learning through play is supported by experts in early childhood care, development and education. When children are playing, they are actually learning. Hence, learning happens at preschool age through all playful activities. From the age of 2 to 6 years, there are 5 main skills and developments that are very important for a child. They are social skill, fine motor skill, gross motor skill, cognitive development and kinesthetic skill. At Educon International School, the development of these skills in a child are taken through activities which are planned in a playful manner. We have role play activity, group activities, wherein the children come together to perform a particular task, wherein their social skills development takes place. There are activities like paper crumpling, tearing, pasting, sticking, clay molding, sand play. All these help in the development of the pincher grip of a child, which is the fine motor skill. We have outdoor activities, physical activities, play in the soft gym, which helps in the gross motor development of the child. Cognitive development is the development of the brain. When the child is thinking, how well the child understands the concepts that are taught in the class. A memory game, a quiz competition is organized to attend this developmental stage. Last but not the least, the kinesthetic skill. The kinesthetic skills are developed through music, dance, dramatization and all other such activities which help in the overall development of the child. At Educon International School, we have EIS radio which helps in the social and kinesthetic skills development of a child at preschool. Thank you.